dog doing? Now. Dun, dun. FBI, open up! Bruh. These nuts? Okay. My life be like. Bruh. What the dog doing?
This is a certified hood classic.
Hey, yo, the pizza here.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
These nuts? Got him! Got him! Now.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the
Bang, 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 bang.
Quandale Dingle here. I have been arrested for multiple crimes, including battery on a police officer, grand theft, declaring war on Italy, and public indecency. I will be escaping prison on March 28th. After that, I will take over the world. Greetings, Quandale Dingle here. My cousin Henry Bartholomew Dinglenut got arrested for putting a TNT in a daycare center. Quandale Dingle here. I just escaped prison. I am staying at my friend Juandale Pringle's house. As I was running away from cops, I fell and scraped some of my foreskin off. A guy named Garfield Jensen bent me over in the shower while I was in prison. My baby mama Shaniqua Anderson told me to pay child support, so I gave my baby to creepy old guy.
Want a break from the... If you tap now to watch a short... You'll receive 30 minutes of... Yes, really. If you tap now to watch a short... You'll receive 30 minutes of... You'll receive 30 minutes of...
You'll receive 30 minutes. You'll receive 30 minutes.
Jeffrey Pine Pooter was arrested for mopping the floor with his brother's... Michael Jackson bedsheet with the lube droplets off his white butt cheeks that were lost in the upside down when Will bought a Demogorgon dildo to play with his hoo-ha in the back of a Macy's parking lot that had a breakdancing mailman security guard with extra stupid strawberry strudel on the side of his Arby's meat melted sandwich that was left unbothered by a wild naked bear in the wilderness that was caught urinating in a diaper full of unhinged emo kid waffle syrup that was slapped. Greetings. Quandale Dingle here. I went to a Texan corner store to buy a bag of chips, but they ran out of them, so... What's up, guys? Albert Fingernoodle here. I farted in my grandpa's breathing machine, and his lungs turned black. I'm currently on the run after committing multiple felonies in a gated community. My buddy, Kevin Barnacle Jones, tried to kiss me on the lips while I was sleeping, and I punched him in...
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Duh.
How did you get so long? Wiener dog.
Jag går i björken i björken, jag slår på svarsken, men i måsen är det och in i samma